My son, just as I was saying, this marriage you are struggling to get into with my late brother's daughter, Ujunwa, it will not work. If you like, struggle, try from now till 10 years to come. Nothing good will come out from this marriage at all. You see, she is under oath with that useless keke mechanic called AGK. Eh? You see, I'm telling you this because I like you and I take you as my son. You see, I'm calling you my son. Please try on that place.
Nai, I don't think you have take your time. Look at Ujunwa very well. Irodo, Azodo, surgery free. She is still the way God created her. No surgery at all. Very industrious Nai. Nai, frankly speaking. I don't think I can see any other girl in this village that would be like Ujunwa. Nai, I love her so much. I don't think I can see that quantum of love that I saw in her in another girl. I don't think so, Nai. I don't think so.
My son, it is said that the taste of the pudding is in the eating, not at the back, front side, or whatever side you are thinking about. It's not so. Behavior is the quality of a good woman, not the look. All those things you are talking about will one day phase out or you'll see her. But this girl I'm about to introduce to you is well trained, well cultured, and well behaved. I'm telling you.
Nai, Nai, you are right too. I'm not saying that you are not right in what you're saying.
Yeah,
but you know that someone can only shake Nyash, but you cannot shake your character. Are you aware of that? But the person you are talking about, who could that be?
Very good. This is the question I've been expecting you to ask me. Mercy is the girl. She's the best in this community.
Ujunwa, I know why I'm telling you this. You're a woman and you have a limited time. Now that suitors are coming for you, I will advise you as a friend, grab one so that you will not cry a dino. Please, so stop making shakara.
What exactly are you telling me? Be plain, tell me.
You know now, I'm talking about Obina.
Ma, you don't have to go through corners. Why are you pretending? I already know that you have an eye for Obina. You can go ahead.
What are you talking about? How will you even say such a thing to me?
Uma, take a good look at me. We've known each other since when we were kids. Is that not it? So I know you too well. I know you are interested in Obina. I am telling you, you can go ahead. It's your choice. I cannot tell you otherwise. But the only thing I would advise you is, my friend, ask questions. Ask questions on how he made his money, because so at least so you don't get yourself into trouble. That's the only thing I owe you. Other than that, you are good to go. As for me, I already have my AGK. Yes. And right now, I'm going to my shop. My customers might be waiting.
Ujunwa, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I am talking about, Uma.
You don't have talking about.
I am going to my shop. I have customers waiting.
I don't know what you're talking
and
about.
You know what I'm talking about,
I don't know what you're talking about.
Uma, enjoy. But ask questions, so don't say I did not tell you.
Hey. So she knows. I hope she's not angry with me. Oh. So she knows that I have eyes for Obina. Hey, I hope she's not angry with me. Oh.
Ikem Efuna. Ikem Efuna. Ikem Efuna. I've been noticing something for some time now. Your sister is always going out. Where does she go to?
Mama, why are you concerned?
You have disowned her now. Because you refused to marry your client. You have disowned
Will you shut up?
her.
What rubbish is coming out of your mouth? Are you okay?
Mama, I'm fine. Mama, I'm alright. You don't have to be concerned. You don't have to be worried. Because I'm going to the shop to meet her. She asked me to come and see her. If you must know, AGK opened the shop for us.
I don't understand what you're saying. They're just singing. You mean AGK opened a provision shop for your sister?
No, not be small shop. The shop is...
My friend, shut up! Just shut your dirty mouth. Are you sick? And that is where you are going to.
So tell me, how is the trading business going?
It's going really well. All thanks to you and to God. Do you know that when I get to my shop, this one will come. I want to buy this one. I want this. I do not rest. Like I am always running up and down, up and down. My love, thank you so much.
You're welcome, but I have to tell you, you see, in business, once you're successful, customers will always come.
Yes.
But you have to keep being consistent. That's how you make more money.
I'm trying. Maybe someone employ somebody safe.
Of course, you would employ more people. So are you going to the market to buy more goods?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So I'm happy for you. Just take it serious. You know, in business, you have to keep being consistent so that you can keep having. Did you hear my man? Ikenga, how are you?
Good to see you, bro.
Ikenga,
HK.
what happened to you?
You can see now, life is good, my brother. I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too. Where have you been?
I've just been around now. Uju, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ikenga,
HK.
what happened to you? You look different.
You can see now, all thanks to you.
All thanks to me?
Yeah.
I don't understand. How? Did I do anything for you?
Don't worry, let me talk to Uju first. Uju, I apologize for my bad behaviors in the past. I'm now a better person. All thanks to AGK here.
I don't understand. What do you mean all thanks to me? Did I do anything for you? I didn't give you money. I can't remember giving you money.
AGK,
Huh?
your advice, your encouragement made me a better person. And I'm so grateful for that. I would have still been at the village, raping and doing all sorts of things, but look at me today. I'm now rich, all thanks to you.
You're no longer a rapist.
No, I'm not. You can see me. Just give me a minute, okay?
What did you tell him?
To stop being a rapist. And he made money from it.
Oh.
Ujoma, please, just manage this token, okay?
No, thank you. I understand that you have changed and it's okay. But thank you, I'm okay now.
I just want to appreciate you for everything.
I know, I'm happy that you are now a better person. But the money is not necessary. I now own a provision shop.
Yeah, she
I'm
does.
doing okay. All thanks to him also, so.
Yeah, I
Thank
know,
you.
AGK, it's a gift from me too.
I understand, but she doesn't need it.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
AGK, my
very
man.
much,
Man,
I'm happy for you.
so happy, bro.
I'm happy for you. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Alright, I'll come around.
No
I have to go
problem.
and see the
No
evening
problem. I'm happy. Thank God for your life.
now. Alright, Uju,
Bye-bye.
take care of yourself.
Maybe you should open a correctional facility.
But what does he do for a living?
How am I supposed to know? He's not your friend. He has become your friend. I see the way he's doing my man. Good afternoon. What do you want buy?
Bread and milk.
Small one and big one.
Small one.
Okay. Now, team make you what? I mean,
Yes,
a sachet.
this one. How much is it?
2,000 naira.
Okay.
Thank you, eh? Thank you. Mama? Mama?
So this is where you are. Uju! This is where you are. This is where... Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Mama, why should I be ashamed of myself? Please, not today. Please, please, Mama. Stop.
Uju, your mates are there, out there. They are married to men who have relocated abroad. You are here selling this rubbish. Is this how you want to better your life? No, I'm asking you, answer me. Is this what you really want for yourself?
Mama, what have I done to you? Why can't I even have peace, Mama? This is my business, a place where I am managing. Why did you come here now to disrupt my peace? Firstly, you disowned me as your daughter. I did not complain. Secondly, you stopped giving me food. I still did not complain. And now you've come to my shop to disrupt my peace and chase away my customers. What is it, Mama? Would I die because I have you as my mother?
You are a fool. One of the biggest fool I've ever seen
Mama, please.
in my whole life.
Allow me enjoy
My
the
friend, will
shop
you
that
shut your dirty mouth, I'm
for me,
talking.
Mama, please.
Keep
Stop.
quiet. Your very best friend, Mercy, is not getting married to Obina. And you are here. You're selling potato and plantain and whatever. I don't know what to call it. AGK gave you this one. You're
Mama,
very stupid. Papa.
Let me ask you. How is it my business that Mercy is getting married to Obina? Is that not her choice? Obina is not my choice. AGK is my choice. She can get married to anybody she wants to get married to. I do not care, Mama. Please, leave me alone, Mama. Leave me alone.
Of course, I know very well that you're a fool. I'm not going to answer you now. You're a very big fool and you're an animal. You're not stupid. I don't want to even waste my time with you. Don't worry, you will see me when it is time.
Mama, if you are coming here to insult me and curse my shop, you better do not come to my shop. At home, you will insult me. I will not have time to rest. Even in my shop, I still do not have time to rest. What kind of thing is this one now? Give me peace, Mama. This is my business place. Don't come and chase away my customers.
So, please, I want you to be sincere to me. Are you trying to tell me that you don't have a boyfriend and you are not in any form of relationship right now? Just be sincere to me.
I'm being sincere to you. I'm not in any relationship for now. Because I don't want to.
Does it mean that people are not seeing you? Boys are not asking you out or what?
No. I mean, yes. Men disturb me every day. But I decided not to. Because I'm not into men.
You are not into men?
Yes.
So how come you are not a virgin?
It's a sad memory for me. I was raped when I was 16 years old. And ever since then, I decided not to go into men. Men disgust me because of the experience that I had.
Wait.
But when I saw you, and Ichie Onuma told me that you're a good man, I decided to give you a chance. Because I feel you are different.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that the last day we made love, that was the second time of you having sex in your entire life?
Yes.
So Why is everywhere so open as if a trailer can comfortably drive in?
Well, maybe that's because I just finished seeing my period.
Ah, I see. I see. So have you discussed with your parents about this?
Yes, I have. They're expecting you.
Okay. Okay. I have to make the arrangement and know when we are coming.
Really? Yeah. You mean you're coming to see my people?
Definitely, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There is this traditional marriage my friend is inviting me for in Obiago Kingdom. But I don't know, I don't want to go. It's not like the traditional marriage, a big traditional marriage that I can't miss. But my spirit is telling me to go. But I don't want to go. I don't know, I don't even know what to say.
You and this your spirit. Where exactly do you say the traditional marriage is?
Obiago.
Obiago. Anyway, I think you should listen to your spirit if you trust it so much. If it's me, my spirit doesn't disappoint me. So think about it. Then choose the one your heart tells you. Follow your heart.
Okay, Mommy.
Nne, you mean to tell me that Mercy did not tell you she's getting married?
He's getting married.
She did not tell me. I was even thinking my mother said it out of spite, but she didn't tell me anything. Maybe she didn't tell me because she thought perhaps I might be angry with her. But she doesn't know I don't even have that kind of time.
You mean you're not angry with her?
Why would I be angry with her? Please, I am not angry, even though I am not comfortable with the marriage. But trust me, I'm not angry.
What do you mean you're not comfortable?
Okay, Che, you the one saying this? I just feel like, that guy Obina, there's something off. I do not trust the source of his wealth. There's this thing inside me that keeps telling me that his wealth is not genuine. I don't. But all the same, congrats to them. Whatever.
So when did you start seeing vision? That you're not seeing things. You're not comfortable with the marriage.
Please, my armpit is clean. Biko, you know what? Let's just change the subject so that you will not say I said. Let's just change the topic.
Okay. If you say so.
I say so.
I like what I'm seeing though. Your shop is booming. Honestly.
Thank you. At least you're the first person that is complaining my shop. Other people will just come here. They come and talk anyhow, but thank you for saying that. Well, it's all thanks to my love, AGK.
That reminds me. How is AGK safe?
Well, my baby is fine.
I can see that for myself. I can see that both of you are bubbling.
What to do now?
Love is sweet though. I love.
I mean, drink your Fanta. What's that?
Ujunwa! Okay, who is after you? Ujunwa, take a look at this. Take. Open it.
Whose card is this?
Open it first. Ujunwa, look at this.
AGK.
Yes. Your own AGK is preparing a traditional marriage with another woman.
No, this is not my AGK.
Which one is not? Look at it now. Look at it. See. Is this not AGK? The same family, the same village, the same surname, the same everything, the same kindred even.
What? What kind of dream is this?
Where could Ogechi have gotten the card from? And who is the woman Ejike is getting married to? Is it that he wants to leave me and get married to another woman? This is not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere. But Ejike will not leave me, will he? He promised me. What kind of headache is this one?
See, Ujunwa, why are you crying? This is just a mere dream. Besides, you mentioned having headache. It could be malaria or fever. And you know when you have fever, like it can cause anything. Stop. The Ejike I know cannot do a thing like this.
No. Ogechi, that's not true. The dream I had was so real. It was so real. I'm sure something is wrong somewhere.
Nothing is wrong, believe me.
Ogechi, if this comes to pass, I will not be able to bear it. I won't bear it.
And it will never come to pass.
I will just die.
It can never be a reality, my friend. See, you need to learn to trust your man. Because marriage without trust is rubbish. Is this how you're going to live in the same house with him as his wife? See, Ujunwa, like I said before, the Ejike I know cannot do such a thing to you. The only thing we need to do now is to visit the hospital and see if it is malaria or something. Then you'll be treated of it and all these things will stop. See, just take good care of yourself, okay? See, you need to take care of yourself, okay? Remember to visit the hospital like I said.
I saw your daughter lie lifeless on the road by the
Lie what?
Side. Lifeless.
Where?
On the road. By the roadside.
Let's go.
Lie
Lie where?
Come inside.
Let it go. Please come. There is fire on the mountain.
Huh?
There is a big fire on the mountain.
What happened? My sister is lying lifeless in the hospital. She's not getting herself. She's very sick.
Uju is sick.
Yes.
What happened to her?
I don't know.
Which hospital?
Village hospital. Let's go.
Hold on, let me close my door.
Madam, what exactly happened to her and how did it happen?
Anything I don't know. But our friend Okechi is here. I think she will tell us better.
What happened?
I was with her a few hours ago and she was complaining of headache. She was even feeling pains all over her body and was feeling dizzy at the same time. I don't know what her problem is. Doctor, hope she's going to be alright.
Of course, she's going to be very much alright. You can see right now she's in coma. We found out that she's having a very high BP. And we need to revive her state. I will advise you to deposit some money so that we can conduct the test.
Like how much?
Madam, I will not tell you right now. You go to the cashier. She will tell you exactly how much you will deposit so that we can start immediately. Okay, thank you very much.
Mama, what do we do? I don't want anything to happen to my friend. I don't know. You're the one that said.
What do I do? Who do I run to? She has been lying like this since yesterday. No food. No. She has not eaten anything. She has not even said anything to me.
So you mean since yesterday she has not eaten?
Nothing.
Not even water. And she has not opened her eyes. Mama, if you ask me, I would think this is a spiritual problem.
You say?
Spiritual problem, Mama.
What do you mean?
Mama, you know that her boyfriend now, Ejike? The mechanic guy, like mechanic, Ejike, her boyfriend, just opened a shop for her. And it's not even up to 2 months. She's sick. According to what you told me, the doctor said, that the teen does not even have a name. They don't even know what is wrong with her. It's suspicious, so. You know, young men are desperate to make money. So I'm thinking that maybe that money is to open that shop for her. He has used that for Okite ritual.
You see?
Mama, you don't know Okite ritual. That's what young boys are doing now, no? And considering the fact that you like big men that have money, that drive big cars. So the boy now use your daughter for ritual so that he will have money and he will drive big car and will be a big man who post in this village. You know you like men that have money and drive big car and come and maybe that's why.
Mama, no, I want to understand something. Because I don't understand this behavior anymore. Mama, with due respect, you are behaving abnormal. Do you take Urumiri on colors? Change your dealer. Mama, change your dealer.
It is you and your cohort that's taking Ukulu on colors. You are mad. Are you normal? No, I'm asking you, are you normal? Look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You call yourself a man. You are the man of this house. Somebody is trying to use your own sister for ritual money. You cannot even see it. He cunningly opened a shop for your sister and you're happy about it.
Mama, who is the man? No, Mama, explain to me who is the man. No, I want to understand. The same man that opened the shop for her, we still use that for this money ritual. The same man that gave me money for my WAEC. No, Mama, make me understand.
Exactly, you now know the person. You now know the person. So
I know the person. He's not a ritualist.
Okay.
Mama, give me reasons why you will go to my sister's shop and burn it to
I'll burn it and there's nothing.
Are you the one that opened the shop for her?
I don't care.
Mama, are you the one that
I will burn it. I will burn it and I will continue to burn it.
Mama, this collabo will not work.
Okay.
This Urumiri and Kolos are missing together will not work.
It
change
is
your
you
dealer.
And your cohort.
Mama, change your dealer. I'm not happy with you. Change your dealer.
Okay, very
if
good.
not, Mama, for peace to reign, go and fix that shop for her.
I will not.
If not, I will sell one of our land and use the money and fix the shop for her.
That's sort of your dirty mouth. You will not try it.
You say?
You will not try it.
Mama, you say what?
Where you are?
Mama, will
you want
Mama, will sell the land.
Mama, try it. Let me see.
Mama, I'm not even afraid of you anymore.
Try it and let me see.
Mama, I'm not afraid of you anymore.
Okay,
I will sell the land.
Go and sell it. Go and sell it. Go and sell the land. Yeah, you want to sit here with me? Go and sell the land. I'm waiting for you.
Mama, I'm not even
I'm waiting.
Mama,
you're not sitting here. Leave here.
Mama, God,
you will leave here.
Mama, God, please, that's all.
Away from me.
Mama, this Muru miraculous you are taking, you will not.
You're mad.
Mama, this Muru miraculous you are taking will not help you. You are taking Muru miraculous.
Hey, uncle. Let me quickly rush to the hospital and give AGK food so that he can take his blood.
It's okay. Come. That reminds me. That girl you said that has been taking care of AGK at the hospital, paying all the hospital bill. Who is she?
I don't know. The only thing I know is that she was the one that hit AGK with her car.
And you think that's the only reason she's doing all those things?
I think that's why she's taking care of him. Or is there any other thing you think? Are you suspecting anything?
It's okay. Go to the hospital. Get AGK for me.
But uncle, I don't understand you. Are you suspecting?
No problem, but you go to the hospital. Remember, AGK need to eat so that he can take his drugs. Go. Get him for me.
The door is open.
Don't worry, I'm here. When you come back, I can go back to my house.
Yeah, but you can't leave. Sorry.
I have to go. I have to go see somebody. It's important.
But you're not fit to go.
And so what? I'm not telling anybody I'm leaving.
Okay, what about telling the doctor before you
I don't want to tell the doctor. I just want to go and see somebody. It's important.
Who is this person you're talking about?
Aye.
Sorry.
Ow. Jesus Christ.
This is why I said you can't leave.
Please, just shut up. Why were you driving like that? What if you had killed me?
Really? So what about you looking before crossing?
Are you apportioning blames now?
I'm not saying that, sorry.
Please, I have to go and see somebody, I beg.
Who is this person?
I'm going to see my fiancé.
Okay, I get it now. But can we go to the doctor's office now?
I'm not going anywhere. Please leave me alone.
Sorry.
Be fast so that I take another one, okay? Fast, finish that one and take another one.
Since I woke up yesterday, I have not seen AGK. What happened?
That question is wrong. Me? Ujunwa have told you repeatedly that that stupid boy has nothing to do with you, does not have you in his heart. You will not believe me. Okay?
Mama, can you stop? Stop, please. I know you do not like AGK, but you don't have to say hurtful things about him. That's not nice.
I know you will not believe me, but let me shock you. Do you know that that young man is responsible for what happened to you?
I don't understand.
Hey, Ujunwa. That young man has not stepped his feet into this place since we were brought in here. That same young man wanted to use you for money ritual, but he did not succeed.
Mama, stop. AGK is not like that. Stop it, please.
Okay. Do you know that that man has moved on?
Okay, enough, Mama, enough.
So you don't believe what I'm saying?
Mama, please, can you stop it, please?
What are you doing here? No, I'm asking you, what are you doing here?
Mama.
Oh, you have come to see with your own eyes if your plan worked. I'm very happy to disappoint you. My daughter is still alive. Very good. That's it.
Mama, what are you talking about? I came to see you. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey.
Uju, how are you?
That's the wife.
My love, who is this lady standing beside you?
It's a long story. I'll explain later. I'm in pain right now.
Let me introduce myself.
I was not talking to you. I was talking to AGK. Who is she?
Ojo! Doctor! What am I even doing? I want to see George runs away from here. Let me go. Ojo! Hello?
DPO, sir. Please allow the young man to go. That young man just had an accident a few days ago. And he wasn't even discharged at the hospital. We sneaked out. I'm sure they are looking for him right now. Sir. We were at that hospital to see his girlfriend. Please, sir. Let him go.
Madam, are you aware that being involved in any form of ritual in this country is a very big offense? Especially when it concerns the issue of Okite ritual.
Sir, I'm aware of that. But this young man cannot be involved in such act. Especially the Okite. I know why this woman is doing this. She's doing this because the young man is poor and in love with her daughter. Please, sir.
It's okay. What do you want me to do for you?
To let him go. So he can treat himself.
It's alright, but I can't release him to you. The law does not permit me to release him to you. You have to go and look for a man who will help you.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'll be back. Let me see what I can do. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wait. You mean Amuche had the guts to lock up Ejike at the police station, not minding his condition?
Hey! She accused him of attempting to use the daughter for Okite money ritual.
Mama. Okite.
I already spoke with the GPO. So he said I should bring somebody to put him on bail.
Okay, it's okay. You mean DPO says you should bring somebody to take him on bed?
Yes, sir.
I will go with you. Take care of the house. Don't worry. Sit down. Here, I won't BP. I won't go guide you. I won't go guide you. You never not you with BP. It's okay.
I'll bring you some.
Let's go. Come, take care of the house. Let's go.
Hey! Amuche, Guinea Camela, Amuche, what have I done? What have I done to you?
Young man. Sure. We've looked into the allegation leveled against you. And we have done our investigation. And we found out that you are innocent.
Oh, thank God. Thank God.
Looking at the country we are in, and the ugliness of it, you have to be very, very careful.
Thank you.
Stay out of trouble.
Thank you very much.
That is my advice for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
DPO, thank you so much for your wonderful advice. You are a good man with wisdom. And thank you so much. Just like you rightly said, when we get home, I will also talk to him. So I'm like a father to him. So I will talk to him. Thank you so much. We have to go.
Thank you, sir.
DPO.
Well, Ichie, Mama, you heard what the DPO said about AGK relocating from the village. I'm in support of it. It will enable me take care of him very well since I'm the one that caused the accident. And also, it's good for him because that woman might want to do something evil since she didn't succeed in locking him up.
My daughter, I've heard what you said, and I'm sure Ejike and his mother also heard you. But I want to ask you one question, or rather some questions. Why are you doing all this for Ejike? Who are you? Where are you from? Who are your parents?
My daughter, these questions are very important. I am confused. I don't know why you're doing what you're doing for my son. What is your name? Amarom. Where are you coming from? Amarom. Iferefe. The community you're Amaromu. Because why I'm asking these questions? If you're doing all these things to draw his attention to marry you, it might not be easy. Considering what we are going through in the hands of Amuche and her daughter. We don't have strength to. Yeah.
Well, first of all, my name is Princess Doris Obiako. The daughter to His Royal Majesty Ezelube Obiako of Iziama Kingdom. And Mama, for what you said, I don't have interest in him. I just want to help him. Because I see that he doesn't have a good job. That is why that woman and her daughter was able to do what they did. And I will talk to my father to give him a job in our company.
Wait, remind me, what's that your name again?
Princess Doris.
Princess Doris. And you say your father is an Igwe of your kingdom, community?
Yes, it's you.
Wait. How about your father? Are you sure he will accept all these things you just said here now?
Ichie, I'm my father's daughter. Okay. Whatever I tell him, he will do it for me. So don't worry yourself about him. He will be fine.
Your father's daughter, Igwe's daughter. Yes. Whatever you ask me to do, he will do
it for me.
Are you sure?
Yes, Ichie.
Ejike, you had her. Do you have anything to say about it?
Why are you in this mood? What's wrong? Since you returned from the hospital, I've been observing and noticing you have been in this mood. What's going on?
He came. What happened to my shop?
Did you went there?
It doesn't answer my question. What happened to my shop?
You know, at that time you were at the hospital. Mama said Ejike wanted to use you for money ritual. Ejike was using you. She had to burn down your shop to ashes.
Mama burnt down my shop. And you did not deem it fit to even tell me about it. Why?
Because considering your condition, because you're very sick, you're at the sick bed. Do you want me to jeopardize your health?
My health? Do I look like I am alive right now? No, take a good look at me. Don't tell me, do I look like I am alive? Ejike left me. Went with another woman to the city. Probably they're even planning to get married. And now, Mama burnt down my shop. And you tell me that I'm alive? No, I am not alive. It's better to die and leave this wicked world. Because there is nothing left here for me. Nothing. Nothing.
Can you stop? Because it's getting annoyed already. You keep on emphasizing on you dying. Do you want to die? Why are you shouting my name? Yeah? Why are you shouting my name?
On my way back now, I saw Ijezi.
You saw who?
Ijezi. And he told me that you told him that you have a land to sell. And that you have taken somebody to that land to inspect it. Is it true?
Mama, is that why you're panicking? I told you earlier on, when you went to abort my sister's shop to Archie's. This is just the beginning. I told you I was going to sell one of our lands. So I will use it to restock my sister's shop. I will give you any amount. Yes. I will give you any amount.
No. That's not right. It's not necessary. I don't need it. Let it be. It's okay.
Nah, I'm not letting anything be. Mama, you're very wicked. You're wicked and you're heartless at the same time. I will sell more land. If you want me to sell 2 land, Mama, I will sell 2 of our land. I will sell them. Mama, I will dare you. You're wicked. Mama, change. Don't worry. Mama, change. You're frustrating us already. Change.
It's okay.
Don't worry. If you want me to sell it to, I will sell to.
No.
It's that time I stood my ground.
I said no. It's not necessary. I don't know why I have a wicked mother, but it's okay.
Mama is doing too much already. Mama is doing too much. Her frustration are getting too much in this house. Mama, you're wicked. You're heartless. Don't worry. Next week, Since you returned from the hospital, you haven't eaten anything. And it's very bad. Do you want to develop ulcer? Ulcer is very bad, though. Ulcer is very bad. It's very, very bad. At least put oil in your stomach.
I'm not a child. I'm not hungry. Besides, is it not better I develop ulcer and let it even kill me? What am I living for? It's best to just die. This is no life.
Look at this. Look at this now. Clear your mouth. Oh, what's the meaning of this? Die and leave you here. You're behaving like you don't know Mama's attitude. It will pass. You have to use something.
Uju! Mama Uju! Mama Uju! Game Papa. Uju, Mercy is back. And she's mad.
Which is Mercy?
Mama, Mercy that married Obinna now. You remember Obinna now? She's back to this village and she's mad. My father's house. You know Obinna wants to marry your daughter. And you forced your daughter to marry him. You remember, Mama? Obinna married Mercy. Took her to the city. Want to use her to renew his Okite ritual. She found out, oh, and she ran away. But before that, it was too late. So they roaming around the streets in the city. It's somebody that knows her in the city that brought her back to this village. And now she's in her father's house and she's mad. Mama?
Are you sure what you're saying?
I'm not sure. Why will I be here now? Mercy is mad, oh. Come, let's go and see. She's mad in her father's house. That Obinna man. You wanted him to marry you.
My will you shut up? Just keep quiet. Now leave here.
Mama, you know Obinna. Now
leave here. Come on, get up. Now,
Does it mean anything to you?
Yeah. What is this world turning into? So if I had succeeded in forcing my daughter to marry, he would have used my daughter for money ritual. No. Chai! Upina, you are a wicked person. You are evil. Now look at it. I and my daughter, we don't see eye to eye. Upina, God will punish you. God will punish you. Chai! Ujunwa. How will I tell this girl to forgive me? How can she forgive me? Ujunwa. Uju, please hold on. There's something we have to talk about.
I have nothing to say to you. Not now, not ever.
Child.
Mama, let me understand you clearly. So you want me to talk to my sister to forgive you after the trauma she has been through? Mama, I don't believe you because I can't believe this is coming out from your mouth, obviously. Because it's unbelievable.
Okay.
Mama, I can hear you.
It is coming out from my mouth and I am very serious about it.
Mama, talk to Junwa yourself. She's your disowned daughter. The daughter you disowned some few months ago. And talk to her yourself. I believe she'll give you more listening ear than me.
Okay, I have tried, but she's not listening to me.
She's not listening to you. So, Mama, let me ask you a question. If you're Uju, what will you do? Can I ask you another question? Will you bring back AGK to her? No, Mama, stop looking at me. Stop looking at me that in such a way. You're giving me bombastic star die. I'm asking you, what will you do if you're AGK? Because that young man went through a lot in your hand. Mama, you have to go and talk to your daughter yourself. Because I warned you. The Mkpurumiri and Kulus you are taking is too much. Because you're adding excess quantity every day. I keep telling you, Mama, stop Mkpurumiri, stop Kulus.
My friend, will you shut up?
Mama, it's not about shut up. You have to go and talk to your daughter yourself. Let me go help you and finish the food you're cooking.
Am I going to continue like this with my daughter? Just like that? Mbano. Thank God Ejike is out of her life now. She will not have time. But... Pia? Ikemefuna.
Doris, your mother and I summoned you. In respect of that young man you came back here with. If you remember, for the past 3 weeks, you walked into this compound with that young man. We allowed him because of his condition. He had an accident. And you told us you are directly involved with the accident. Now, he is fully recovered. And he is still here. I want to ask you, what is it that he's still looking for here?
Daddy, can I ask you for a favor?
Well, what is it?
When that accident happened, I went to their house, at least to know his parents and where he comes from. Daddy, you won't believe what I saw.
What is it that you saw?
Daddy, they barely eat. His mother is not doing anything, and he's just a keke mechanic. Life is not easy with them.
And what does that have to do with you or with us? Why are you boring us with the story? Doris, for crying out loud, you knocked that man down with your car. You took care of him. Now he is okay. Allow him to go. Let him go back to his mother. What is all this? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Because if it is, it will never work. Not in this life and not in the next world.
Come on, darling, come on. You don't treat people that way. I mean, you don't know where we'll meet tomorrow. And you don't know what he will be or what help he will render to us. Doris?
Yes, sir.
What do you want me to do for him?
Daddy, he's the only child of his parents and his daddy is late. So I was hoping we give him a job in our company.
What? How dare you say that? Is that how they offer people jobs? Anyone you see, you just give him a job in a company. Do you know anything about him? Apart from knowing his name, going to his house, do you know if he's a criminal? Yes.
That boy doesn't seem to me like someone with a questionable character. Stop that. Allow him be.
Your Majesty, the last time I checked, they do not write questionable character, criminal, bad person on the forehead. Anyway, I have said my own. It's left with you and your daughter. Whatever you decide, you are on your own. But I know that at the end of the day, I cannot but smile and say, I want you all.
Accepted. So, baby?
Yes, Daddy.
I've heard you. Let me sleep over it. I'll get back to you.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you big.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're not fine because you look worried. What is it?
Nothing.
Okay. So I just finished speaking to my parents about you.
What did you tell your parents about me?
About giving you a job in our company.
Okay. And what did they say?
My daddy said he will sleep over it. But I know he doesn't have a choice because he can't possibly say no to me. You should be happy. You're not smiling or something.
I want to go home.
She wants to go home to that woman and her daughter.
Can I get some water to drink?
Okay, I'll tell the maids to get one.
I didn't hear you very well.
Mama, I'm going to repeat myself. So I said, Doris's father promised to give me a job in the city. He said there's a lot I can do for him. He has a huge company and a lot of people work there. So he said I can also work with them. But first, he would like to meet my people. He wants to know where I'm from. He wants to know either my parents or any of my guardian. In fact, he said he'd like to meet my uncle. I should bring my uncle and my mother to him first before he makes a decision to help me.
Nayokoro, did you hear him? What do you have to say?
Anyway, to be honest with you, I am very, very confused. But that's notwithstanding. We'll see what we can do. Ejike.
Uncle?
You said that man is an idiot.
Yes.
And he asked you to come with your parents before he could give you a job in his company. Yes, the man is doing what he's supposed to do. Because you are a stranger in his family. And he also wants to protect his business. Now let me ask you this very important question. Are you sure if that man gives you an opportunity to work in his company, you will not mess it up.
Uncle, you know me very well. I'm very, very organized. And I'll never bring shame to my family. I can't do that.
Okay. But I want to ask you a question. And I don't want you to be offended. Is there anything between you and that Doris? Because I don't understand it. Ever since you came back, you have not asked of Ujunwa what is going on.
Very important question. Very important question.
Mama, there's nothing going on.
Are you sure?
But if something eventually happens, I'll let you know. But for now, there's nothing going on.
Are you sure?
Uncle, you're asking too many questions.
Ejike, are you sure? Because I don't trust you. Are you sure? I know why I'm asking this question. Uncle, are you sure?
Uncle, you have known me. I'm a very organized person. And I promise never to bring shame to my family. Is it possible? I can't do that.
I warned Umao. Trust me, I warned her. I told her to be very careful of Obina when I found out that she was planning to get married to me. But she denied. Look at the condition she has put herself into because of her ego. Money she does not even know how he made.
Wait, so you dey pity that one? To me, she got what she deserves though.
No. Come on. She's a human being. Besides, she's still our friend.
Friend, care. She used to be our friend. Not anymore. I see her now like a betrayer.
No,
honestly.
Don't say that. Betrayal.
But that's what she is.
Listen, let me be sincere with you.
Okay.
The truth is, I told her in confidence that she can accept Obina. That's the truth. So do not see her as that.
Ujunwa, you know what?
What?
Please, can we change this topic? You didn't tell me that Ejike came back to this village.
Ejike? Which Ejike?
Your Ejike, of course.
What? Wait. You mean my Ejike came back to this village and didn't even ask after me?
He came back. I saw him with my 2 eyes. My 2 eyes like this. I saw him myself.
So, it's true. Ejike has actually dumped me for another woman. You know what? Let's go. Let me go and see him.
See. He has gone back to the city.
What?
And he even went back with his mother and uncle.
Why would he go back to the city with his mother and uncle?
Ichi, you can have your drinks while I go fetch my parents.
Thank you.
Wait, let them come.
Sit down. Sit down. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Ruben?
You know me from somewhere?
Hey, yes. My name is Comfort. My Igbo name is Mbechi. I am your madam's house help when you were still serving your master. Comfort.
Mama, you know each other?
Comfort?
Yes.
Dad? Do you know her?
Honey, who is this woman?
She's the woman I told you. When I was serving my master, she was serving my master's wife. I mean, we became close and one thing led to another. You remember?
I can't remember. Can you please refresh my memory on that?
Comfort my baby. Someone. Angel in a woman form. Oh yo. See her, comfort. See, I really like you. Yes. Just give me a chance. Give me a chance to come into your life. And I promise I will make you the happiest woman on earth. I promise. Huh? I really love you.
Did you just say you love me?
Yes, I love you.
You are a boy, oh. Okay, let me ask you. What if I accept you now and along the line something happens, like I get pregnant? What will you do?
Nothing is going to happen. Listen, we are both matured here. Nothing is going to happen. See, no third party around. It will be a secret between both of us. Don't be our things small. Nobody will know. Except you that want to go and tell them. You want to go and tell them.
Are you sure?
Yes. You don't have to worry yourself. Leave everything for me. Yeah, leave it for me. Just accept to be my baby and nothing will happen. Okay?
Okay, well.
But nothing. Don't worry yourself. Just feel free, relax. Huh? You've accepted. That's my baby. Oh, come for baby. Come and help me.
Come and do what now?
Come now.
I'm shy. You
don't have to be shy now. Come here. I'll do it. Comfort, let me suggest something.
What is it? What is it?
Okay. I just think you tell Oga and Madam that your parents sent for you. Yes. Just tell them someone is asking for your hand in marriage and that you're not going to come back again. Then while I'm here hustling, I'll be sending you money for your antenatal and your upkeep. When you finally put to bed, I will take responsibility of everything. I will make sure I give the baby the good education and take care of the baby, whether he or she. I will take care of the baby. Please, just do this for me. I don't want to lose my job. Please.
So, what do I tell my parents? Who do I tell them is responsible for the pregnancy?
So since then, we haven't established contact until now. Comfort. What happened to the pregnancy?
Ejike. He's your father. What?
My son, I'm excited to have you. Your mother, Comfort, is a very good woman. She protected my interest when I needed it most. And Comfort, you remember, I made a promise to you, and I will never go back on it. Your lives will never remain the same. Just the way you walked in here, as you are leaving this compound, you will notice the difference.
You say, I like him.
Thank you.
My wife and I will discuss, and I'll get back to you soon. Son, come. Come on, hug your daddy. I'm excited to have you.
I'm so excited.
Mama, I'm very, very surprised at you. You lied to me my father was dead. How could you? Why would you do that to me? Uncle, I trusted you. You're a part of this.
But now, what could I have done? If I had told you that your father is still alive, where will you go looking for him when I don't know his whereabouts? I don't know whereabouts here. Eh? We should be grateful to God. It is the Lord's doing and it's marvelous in our eyes. The Lord has done it. Now you have 250 million naira resting in your account. This one here and a duplex in the city. We should be thankful to God Almighty. Omegia.
Ejike. Well, just like your mother rightly said, God has a way of doing things. Look at you. Just look at you. A keke mechanic of yesterday. Look at you today. Yeah? And an accident victim to a millionaire. Yeah? You see? Look at the car. House in the city. The money lying in your bank account. Eh? You should be grateful to that Igwe is a nice man. See that Igwe? He's a nice man. Hey, look at you. You even add more color to your this thing. Just these few days. Look at you. Your color have changed. You are more shining now. Eh? You should be happy. When are we going for Uju's introduction?
Uncle, that's not important for now. Uju must not know I am back. I want to surprise her myself.
Eh? You will surprise Uju yourself?
Yes.
Surprise Uju yourself? Yeah. Ejike, I hope you are not planning to dash Uju this car.
Oh, you will not do that.
But you talk to her. Talk to him.
I will.
You know your son. Talk to him.
Hey,
talk to him.
Ejike. You're still here. Chimo, you're not sleeping. Ogini, and you don't look happy. What is the problem?
Mama, I have some questions to ask you. And I want you to tell me the truth.
You want to ask me something? And you want me to tell you the truth? Ngwano, I am here. Go ahead.
Mama, how did your parents die?
How come about this question? Ogini, is there any problem?
Mama, please just answer me, please.
Okay. It's a very long story. But I'll summarize it. You see, when I was living with my madam, I got pregnant outside wedlock. When I finally came back to the village, my father saw me and could not bear it because of his position in the church. He was a knight in the church. So he had heart attack and died. A few months after he was buried, my mother had stroke and joined him. It was your Uncle Okolo that took care of me till I gave birth to you.
I can understand why you're very close to his wife.
Yes. She was very nice to me. May her soul rest in peace.
Mama, but why didn't you get married after you had me?
My son, I did it because of you. I needed to stay back in my father's house and take care of you. I didn't want to marry and start having other children, then I will not concentrate on you.
Mama, you have a kind heart. You're a good woman.
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Go and sleep.
It's already midnight. Why not?
I'm fine. I'll join you shortly.
Good night, Mom. Oh,
Mama, how long will you continue like this? You've been like this since I entered into this compound.
As long as it takes, Ogechi. Am I alive? I'm only breathing. I'm not alive. I'm simply waiting for my death to come and take me. That's all that is left.
God forbid. How can you say a thing like that? Well, what if I tell you that this your sorrow will soon end?
Ogechi, will you bring Ejike back to me? Will you restore my shop that was burnt down by my wicked mother? Tell me, which one of these things can you do?
None.
Good. So leave me alone.
I only came to tell you that you'll be having some visitors this weekend.
Visitors? Who are they?
I heard that. You said some people are coming to visit. Who are they?
Yes, Mama. Mama is my brother's friend who stays in Abuja. He says he will be coming with people by weekend to ask for Ujunwa's hand in marriage. The man is very rich, and I learned he's equally a good person.
They have money. He said they have plenty of money, and he's also handsome. Tell them to come. Tell them to come. I'm waiting.
What does this person do for a living?
I don't know. I don't know. It's my brother that knows him so well.
Mama, can you hear her? It's like Obina case hasn't taught you any lesson.
Ogechi, please, ask your brother to tell them not to come. I am not interested.
So you heard my sister. Tell them the wedding is cancelled.
Just keep your mouth shut. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. And go away like that. Yeah? Listen to me. Tell them to come. I am at home waiting for them.
Mama,
yes.
What is this now?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Mama, what's all this?
They have money, plenty of money.
Go home. Go home. The marriage is cancelled.
Keep quiet.
Mama,
Hey, hold it there. He said they have money. If you want to die, die. Tell them to come.
Okay, Mama. Okay,
Tell them to come. I'm here waiting for them.
Yes, so they are coming to take you away. I saw Dogu. They are coming by weekend. Prepare your mind.
Ogechi, are you okay?
Prepare your mind.
Mama,
what is this?
You see, shut up your dirty mouth and lie down. I'll give you another one. 1, 2, 3. Come back there. Where you coming from? Hey, Mama, are you okay, Ogechi?
It's time to leave. Tell them the wedding is cancelled.
Ogechi, tell them to come. They are waiting for them.
Mama, uncle, why do people want to get my sister angry? She said she doesn't want to accept people that is coming for her hand marriage today. People are insisting. Why? Uncle, I'm not happy with you people. It's not right.
Are you the one getting married?
No.
So, what's your trouble?
Are you done talking?
I'm not done.
Go ahead. Let me ask you. Will your sister stay here forever? Won't she get married?
She will get married now. Mama, she's heartbroken. And let's understand that fact. She's heartbroken. Let's give her some time to heal. Ejike left her for another woman. So people are making her. I'm not happy. Uncle, this is not right. You people will not force my sister to get married. It's not done anywhere. I don't like this excess pressure on her. I don't like it, Uncle. Mama, I don't like it.
It looks as if our visitors are here.
Okay. To do what?
Let us wait and see.
Okay, me, I'm not happy.
Oh, you're telling me. Shut up.
We're trying to get back.
Okay, Chi. What's the meaning of this? Did I not warn you that I do not want to see any stupid person in my father's compound? So what are you doing here? If you know what is good for you, go back out there. Tell them to leave. You will not like what I will do. Leave this place. As for you, this friendship is over. I am not interested anymore.
Leave.
And what if I tell you that the person coming for you is someone you can't afford to lose?
Which useless person? I don't care. Ogechi, leave my father's compound. Leave. Go and tell them that I do not want to see anyone here. Do you understand me?
Ujunwa, calm down.
Hold on. Leave!
Leave who?
Leave this compound. Leave this compound.
Calm down.
Oh. Uju. Agalandia. Yeah.
Uju.
Ijogma.
How are you?
Yeah.
Ujunwa. Mama, what is going on? What is going on? See what is going on. Yes, sir.
Yeah. But Mama, I understand that they are married. But they don't need to come and rub it on my face. It's not necessary. Mama, please. I respect you a lot. I do not want to disrespect you. Can he leave this place with his wife?
Ujunwa, nothing of such happened.
How are you? Listen, it's not what you think, okay? That's my sister. She's not my wife. Yeah. I can see a lot of confusion on your face, but it's a long story.
Yes.
Yeah. And she's a princess. And Ejike here is a prince. But from another father in another community.
Go and get your things and let's go.
Your sister?
Yes.
It's a long story, but I'll explain. Don't worry.
Are you okay? What is wrong, sir? Are you okay? I'm asking you. Now get out of this place.
Mama,
can you
Come down.
Mama, enough. Stop it.
Please, let us settle this issue once and for all, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, Biko.
Mama, and I have told you I cannot forgive you. So please leave my bag. Thank you.
Calm down now. Listen to what it is. You have to forgive.
Can you respect yourself?
You go start to go your house. I don't notice her. You don't say you're welcome.
She's my friend. I'm following her.
Mama.
Ujunwa, listen, I know you're not happy with your mother. But please, at this point, you have to forgive her. Let go of the past.
Mama, are you the one saying this? Have you forgotten everything she did to you? How she insulted you. Even in the market, she embarrassed you a lot of times. Yourself and uncle. Why would I forgive her? Imagine this woman that calls herself my mother doing that.
She's not this woman. She's your mother. I've forgiven her. So please forgive her.
She even went as far as bringing a ritualist to get married to me. Burnt down the shop Ejike got for me with the goods inside. Who does that?
It's okay.
Please, Mama, I cannot.
Ujunwa, like she rightly said, no matter what, she's still your mother. You have to forgive her. Forgive her. She's your mother.
Uncle, I have never disobeyed you. But for the very first time, I can't. She has really hurt me. I can't.
Ejike, please talk to your wife. Talk to your wife.
It's okay. Uju, you need to relax, okay? She's your mother. There's nothing you can do. We're humans. We're bound to make mistakes, okay?
My love, have you forgotten everything she did to you? Even got you arrested.
It's in the past.
Will you just let that go?
It's in the past now.
But I can't.
Just relax and...
She really hurt
It's
me.
okay, just forgive your mother. Please, do it for my sake.
Yes, Mama, only go do for the house. I'm going with her. We are married together.
She will forgive you. Let's go home to hospital. Come back. Oh,
bye-bye. Uncle, take care of my mother. I'm going with them to the kitchen. It's none of your business, Uncle. It's none of your concern. Mama, leave alone.
Yeah, in a work, one working.
Oh, you know, I know.
Hey, boo. Is that alive?